Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I'm Christine and this is Christine Says a Lot. Today I am wearing the cuff top by the assembly line. It's a bit of a spring day today, so I thought this would be a good chance to wear this blouse. Now let's jump right into opening the advent calendar from Beyond the Pink Door. I cannot tell you how much I have been enjoying this advent calendar. So day 4. Let's see what it is. Not a clue. Taylor's chalk? I don't know. Let's open it and see. We'll see how good of a guesser I am. It's a seam guide. Isn't that cute? Looks like a measuring tape, but it's a magnet and you put it on the bed of your sewing machine to keep a proper seam allowance. I'm going to give this a try later today. I have a big kitchen day planned today. Charlie got some beautiful butternut squash from his sister's garden. I'm going to be making a butternut squash lasagna roll-up for dinner tonight. My parents and 2 of my sisters are coming over for dinner. We're going to do some family Christmas party planning. I hosted Thanksgiving and it went really well. We had 26 adults and 2 toddlers. For Christmas, we're going to have 30 adults and 2 toddlers. So I want to do some planning for the bigger crowd we're going to have. And we had a couple of pinch points at Thanksgiving and we're going to try to work those out. So that is number 1 plan for my kitchen work today. I also want to make some pumpkin muffins. I recently found a few weeks ago a really good pumpkin muffin where the spices were exactly what I was looking for. And I think the combination of clove and nutmeg is what did it for us. And Charlie loves to have a muffin after his oatmeal, and I want to do this for him. So I'm going to make some pumpkin muffins. And then the other thing I need to make is we've been invited to a Christmas party tomorrow, and I had signed up to bring dessert. So I need to figure out what I'm going to make for dessert. One of my standby desserts that I make to take is Yaya's Wednesday cake. And the cake is as delicious as the name is fun. You can search it on the internet for the recipe. It is so delicious, and more importantly, during this busy time, it is quick and easy. I need to take Martin for a walk and then get on with my kitchen work. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna get started on my prep for dinner tonight. We have this butternut squash from my sister-in-law's garden. Now, this will be a little bit more work because of the size of the squash, but I think it'll more than make up for it in taste. When I purchase a butternut squash, I like to purchase one where this portion is bigger than this portion, just because I'm a little bit lazy and it's easier to dice this into pieces. So I'm gonna peel this, I'm gonna dice it, then I'm gonna put it in my broiler pan and roast them. That is where I deviate from the recipe a little bit, is I roast my butternut squash instead of cooking it on the stove, because Charlie's gonna come in and snatch some from the pan. So I'm gonna make all of the squash. And then I puree it with a little bit of chicken stock and some white wine. And that's a little bit different. So I'm gonna get on with my prep. Let's give this seam guide that I got from the Beyond the Pink Door calendar a go. I have it marking a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Well, it hasn't budged. I had thought that this might wiggle or move as I fed the fabric through, and it has not. I think this would be particularly handy for somebody who's new to sewing. or if you have tricky fabric, it works. We had a really nice dinner with my parents and sisters. I think we've got a good direction for our Christmas party planning. I did not take a photo of my dinner, which I meant to, so I'll insert a photo of the butternut squash spinach lasagna roll-ups before they went into the oven. So good. Daddy's car did not start. Charlie is taking him home. I have got the owner's manual. I'm going to give it a read through. So I'm going to go ahead and end here and upload my video and see if I can solve the problem of why the car won't start. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.